Hello there everyone. In this second tutorial of Kharaharapriya Jathiswaram, I will be teaching you the second charana and the third charana. Okay. So, like always, let's discuss the Raga Lakshana of Kharaharapriya. Kharaharapriya is a 22nd Medagartha Raga. The Swarasana Shabja, Chadashur Rishabha, Sadhanadara, Shuddha Madhyama, Panjama, Chadashur Devadan, Kaishigi Nishadam. The Arohana and Avarohana goes like this. Sari Gama Padha Ni Sa Avarohana Sani Dha Pa Ma Ga Re Sa. Second charana is a bit tricky. It is not having any dirgha. Let me think. Let me sing. Maybe I'm wrong. Let me sing it once. Re ga ma pa ma ga re ga ma ni da pa ma ga re ga ma sa ni da pa ma re ga sa re ga ma. I am right. So, re ga ma Rishabha playing. And one more thing. In this charana, it is clearly, we can clearly see that this charana focus on Rishabha more. Rather, any other Swarasana, it is focusing on Rishabha. I think this entire thing has been set like that. The first charana, no, I don't have much, thing to say. Second charana, this one, is focusing on Rishabha. Third charana focus on Gandhara. Fourth charana focus on Madhyama. And the fifth focus on Panjama. Anyway, this is how it goes. Re ga ma. Only Gandhara is having a gamaga. Re ma ga and suras. Re ma ga ma. Re ga ma. Re ga ma pa. Ga ma pa. There ma ga. Madhyama. Sorry, Gandhara is having a slide from this Madhyama to Gandhara's position. Ma ga ma pa. Like that. Re ga ma pa ma ga re ga ma. Here ma ga. Madhyama is having a step down from Panjama. Gandhara is having a step down from this Madhyama. Re ga ma. Here Rishabha is having a gama. Re sa ga re are the anuswaras. Re ga ma pa ma ga re ga ma. There Gandhara is playing. Madhyama is playing. It is not like the starting phrase. Okay. Re ga ma. From this Madhyama, lift up Nishada. Ni da pa ma. Ni ma ni are the anuswaras of Nishada. Daiva is having a step down. Ni da are the anuswaras. Ni da pa ma. Panjama playing. Madhyama is having a step down from Panjama. Pa ma are the anuswaras. Ni da pa ma ga. Ga, ma ga, it's a slide of Gandhara from Madhyama. Ma ga. Re ga ma pa ma ga re ga ma ni da pa ma ga re ga ma. Next Rishabha also like the second set. Rishabha is having gama. Sagari re ga ma. Gandhara Madhyama plain notes. Re ga ma sa ni da pa. There. Sa ni da pa. It's actually a pull off. Re sa ni da la pa. Sa ni da pa. Like that. Sa ni da. If you are practicing akara, that will be really nice for you here. Re sa ni da la pa. Sa ni da pa. Like that. Only up to Madhyama. Then sa ni da pa ma re. Rishabha is having a slide from that Madhyama. Re ga ma. Let me sing it as a stretch. Re ga ma ni da pa ma ga re ga ma. Sa ni da pa ma re ga ma. Re ga sa re ga. Oh, there. Sa ni da pa ma. That is Re sa ni da pa ma. Then from that Madhyama slide down to Rishabha. Re, ga, ma. There I am giving a small hammering tone for Gandhara. Re, ga, ma. Re, ga, ma, re, ga. Again, Rishabha is having a slide from that Madhyama. Re, ga, ma, re, ga. Next Gandhara I am giving a slide from Madhyama. Re, ga, ma, re, ga, ma, ga. Sari ga, sari. Shadja Rishabha plain. Sari ga. Oh, Rishabha, at the last moment I am giving a throw to Sari ma. Rishabha is being thrown to Madhyama. Sari ma. Sari ga, sari ga, sari ga, sari ga. And Gandhar is having his hammer. Sari ma. Gama ga, ga. Sari ga, like that. That's the usage there. Let me sing the second charanam, the entire second charanam in one stretch. Re ga ma pa ma ga re ga ma ni da pa ma ga re ga ma sa ni da pa ma re ga ma re ga sa re ga. I think I missed out that Shadjas usage. Just having a slide. Sa from Gandhara, because its preceding note is Gandhara. Slide that Shadja down from that Gandhara. And this is not the performing speed. The performing speed should be Re ga ma pa ma ga re ga ma ni da pa ma ga re ga ma sa ni da pa ma re ga sa re ga ma ga re ni sa. You should connect that with the fourth Sangati of the Pallavi. Okay, then let's move on to the fourth or the third charanam, where we'll be focusing on Gandhara more. That's the structure of this one. Ga ma pa ma ga ringa re za ni za ringa ni da ni sa ringa pa da ni sa ringa ma pa ma ga ringa sa ni da pa ma ga re ga ma sa re ga ma ni za ringa. Okay, starting Gandhara is having a gamaga, ga, two dirgham. I think most of the Gandhara is having dirgham in this one. Charan. Ga, ma, pa, ma, ga, ri. Let's learn that. That's the first phrase. Ga, ri, ma, ga, the answer is Gandhara. Ri, ma, ga. Ga, ri, ma, ga. Ma, pa, ma, ga, ri. Ma, pa, plain. Ma, ga, ri. Next one, they is having a slide. Ma, ga, ri. That's a step down. Pa, ma, ma, ga. Madhyama is having step down from Panjama. Gandhara is having step down from Madhyama. Ga, ma, pa, ma, ga, ri. Rishabha plain. Ga. Next Gandhara, ri, ma, ga, ma, ga. Ri, ma, ga is a gamaga. Ma, ga is a slide. So, ri, ma, ga, ma, ga. It's a combination of gamaga and a slide. Ga, ri, za, ma, ri, za. Rishabha is having a slide. Ri, za, ri, za, ri, za. It's having a slide from Madhyama. Ma, ri, sa. Shadja play. Ri, za, ni, za, ri. Nishada having a slide from Shadja. Re, sa, ni, sa, ri. All others are just plain notes. Ga, re, sa, ni, sa, ri. That's what we'll be singing from the beginning. Ga, ma, pa, ma, ga, ri, ga. Re, sa, ni, sa, ri, ga. Ga. Next one is also just a ga. Okay, give a double slide for that. The third phrase, Gandhara. Riga, riga, ga. Then, ni, the, sa, ni, ni. Nishada is having a slide from Shadja. Ni, the, like the play. Ni, sa, ri. Nishada is having gamaga here. The sa, ni are the ends of this. Ni, the, ni, sa, ri. All others are playing. Here, a beautiful Gandhara. Ni, the, ni, sa, ri, ga. Sa, ri, then, ga. Sa, ri, ga, ri, sa, ri, ga. Ri, sa, ri, ga are the Anuswarus of Gandhara. It is a combination of step down as well as step up. Re sa re ga, re sa, step down, re ga, step up. Re sa re ga, ga, like that. Pa pa dha ni sa re, pa Panchama playing, pa dha, Daivada playing, pa dha ni sa re. Panchama and Daivada are just plain notes. Nishad is having a gamaga. Pa dha ni, the sani. Pa dha ni sa re, Shadja Rishabha playing. Pa dha ni sa re. Then it's just a copy of the first Sangadhi. Ga, re ma ga. Then ma pa ma ga. Here I'm adding a small throw for that Panchama for a change. Okay. Ga, ma pa ma, pa 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 ni. Panchama is been thrown to Nishada. If possible, you can throw to Daivada also, no problem. Ga, ma pa 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 da. Possible. Pa. I prefer Nishada. Ga ma pa ma ga ri. All others are just a repetition of the first Sangadhi, first phrase. Madhyama is having a step down from Panchama. Pa ma. Gandhara is having a step down from this Madhyama. Ma ga. Rishabha plain. Re. Like that. Let me sing that. Ga ma pa ma ga ri. Ga. Then I am giving a double slide for Gandhara, starting from Madhyama. Maga maga ga ga maga maga ga. Okay. Ga sa ni da ba ga sa ni da ba ma sa play ni sa ni da pa sa ni da pa sa ni da pa ma. Shadja is plain. Nishada is having a slide from Shadja. Daivada is having a slide from Nishada. Panchama playing. Sa, sa ni, ni da, da pa, like that. Sa ni da pa, ma. Madhyama having usage. Pa ma, ma. Ga, sa ni da pa ma ga, ga. There also I am giving double slide already. Ga, ma ga, ga. Let me sing in one stretch. Ga ma pa ma ga ri ga sa ni da pa ma ga ri ga ma sa ri ga ma. Plain notes, all plain. Ri ga ma sa ri ga ma ni za ri ga ma plain. Sa. Shadja is having a slide from that Madhyama. Ma sa ri ga ma. Again Rishabha plain. Sorry, Rishabha Gandhara Madhyama plain. Madhyama ni. From Madhyama slide down to Nishada. Ni sa sa ri ga ma. Shadja hammer. Sa ni sa sa. Okay. Ga ri ga ma sa ri ga ma ni za ri ga. Shadja hammer. Rishabha having a gamaga. Sagari ri ga. Gandhara play. Let me sing the whole thing in one stretch. The third charanam should sound like this. Ga ma pa ma ga ri ga ri sa ni sa ri ga ni da ni sa ri ga pa da ni sa ri ga ma pa ma ga ri ga sa ni da pa ma ga ri ga ma sa ri ga ma ni sa ri ga. I think I gave a gamaga for the last ri ga ma. No problem. If possible, you can give. No problem. So that's the learning speed. Performing speed is different. Ga ma pa ma ga ri ga ri sa ni sa ri ga ni da ni sa ri ga pa da ni sa ri ga ma pa ma ga ri ga sa ni da pa ma ga ri ga ma sa ri ga ma ni sa ri ga ma ga ri ni sa ma ga ri sa ni da ni sa ri ga That's the third Sangati, and that's the end of this tutorial. We will see in the coming one, the third part of this tutorial, where I'll be teaching you the fourth and the fifth Sangati, the Charanam of this lesson. So keep on practicing. We'll meet in the next tutorial. Bye bye.